Hi! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone using Bluetooth. First of all, just go into settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. From here, just wait for available ones to show and tap on the chosen one. Now wait for the pop-up and in order to continue, select Pair. Then just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by choosing this icon next to the device, clicking Forget and confirming your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to it again, choose Pair New Device, tap on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!